Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have OPPO Enco X3i headphones and I'm going to tell you how you can easily pair them with your Android application and how to install this application. So, at first we have to enter Play Store and here we have to tap search. In the search bar we have to search for HeyMelody. Now, as you can see, the first option you can see is HeyMelody from HitApp. We have to click install button here, and once you install this application you have to click open. Here, as you can see, we have the device and enjoy your music. Before that you have to create an account for yourself, and now as you can see we have to enter pairing mode with our headphones, just like that, and here we have to tap connect in our devices list. Here we have to tap pair, because our phone is now connecting to our headphones, and now we are all done. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.